Not the way she's given me a space to sing, not the way she makes the best of everything, not the way she shows me I'm not always right, not the way the day is as fine as the night, not the way she knows without needing the proof, not the way she only ever tells me the truth. Maybe part of it, but it's not the whole. It's the tug, it's the pull of a deep down soul. It's not the look of understanding on her face, it's not the boundless generosity of her grace, not the way she does not know what she's worth, not the way there's nobody like her on earth, not the way she can't stand any pretense, not the way she gifted me a little sense. What it really is can hardly be told. It's the tug, it's the pull of a deep down soul. Oh people, the ocean is so deep and the world so wide. Something in that girl is sanctified. I was so low that I wished I could wake up dead. I was a jailhouse prisoner in my own head. Wondered seriously if I was insane. I go down, I get up, I go down again. She came along, she treated me so nice. It wasn't just escape, it was paradise. But what makes me love her beyond control? The tug, it's the pull of a deep down